Hi everybody, I'm Will. Today I'm going to talk you through Orchestra's new resource alerting feature. To get started, we jump into Orchestra's pipeline builder and we click the alert button in the top bar. From here we can view existing alerts and add new ones. To get started, we click the add button to add a new alert. The first option we need to enter is the alert name. This can be any string and should be something that helps you distinguish and differentiate your different alerts on your pipeline. Now we need to select a resource. Using Orchestra's new resource alerting feature, we can create an alert on any of the resources within the pipeline. Here you can see listed the pipeline and each of the tasks within the pipeline. Now we can select the status. When a task completes, it ends in any of the following states: succeeded, failed, cancelled, and skipped. We can trigger the alert on any of these statuses, and we can select multiple. We can also use the any option. This will send an alert if the resource ends in any of the completed states. To add a destination, we click Add Destination. Now we need to select the destination itself. For this alert, I'm going to use Slack, but we also can do Teams or email. Now I need to select the channel. This is a multi-select box so that we can configure multiple channels in the same alert. Now I click Done, and now we can see I've created a simple alert that will alert me when the pipeline ends in any completed state and send an alert to this Slack channel, Alert Demo Public. To finish, I click Create. Now let's try adding a more complicated alert. I want to notify a user that this dashboard refresh has not occurred. To do this, we open the alert panel, we click Add, and we go through the steps as before. For the name, I'm going to do dashboard skipped/failed. I'm going to select the resource of the task refresh dashboard, and then I'm going to alert on the failed and skipped statuses. For a destination, I'm going to use an email this time. I click the add button to add email, click done, and then we're done. Here I can now click create, and we have a new alert that when the task refresh dashboard enters a failed or skipped state, it will send an email to that user. I also want to send this alert to a private Slack channel. To do this, I need to add the Orchestra app to the private Slack channel. Firstly, I navigate to Slack and the Slack channel I want to alert to. Here I've created a new channel called Alert Demo Private with just me in it for the demo. To add Orchestra, I press /add and I click Add Apps to this channel. I then select the Orchestra app and then we can see Orchestra joined. Now I can go back to the Orchestra app. I click Edit, I add a new destination, I click Slack, and now we will be able to see the demo private channel. I click Update to update the alert so that it will send to this Slack channel. And that's it. That's how easy it can be to configure alert settings using Orchestra. You can configure alerts for any resource in your pipeline, for any state, and to send those alerts to any stakeholders that may be relevant. Thanks for watching. Get in touch if you would like to see more.